The statue of Saint Sophia, erected in 2000, symbolizes wisdom, glory, and prosperity. Standing 20 meters tall, it is located in the city center, overlooking iconic streets and reminding us of Sofia's historical significance as a cultural and spiritual hub. The Church of Saint Nedelya is one of Sofia's iconic landmarks, with a history spanning centuries. Located in the heart of the city, it captivates with its majestic architecture and spirit, symbolizing the deep connection between tradition and the faith of the Bulgarian people. The Rotunda of St. George is the oldest preserved architectural monument in Sofia, dating back to the 4th century. Hidden among modern buildings, this remarkable church stands out with its unique frescoes and a spirit that carries centuries of history. Sofia, the heart of Bulgaria. A city where history and modernity blend in perfect harmony. Stroll through its streets to discover the spirit of centuries preserved in its culture, architecture, and nature. The Central Market Hall in Sofia is an iconic building, opened in 1911, combining neoclassical and neo-Byzantine architectural styles. Located in the city center, it is a place where history and commerce meet, offering visitors a variety of goods and a rich cultural atmosphere. The Banya Bashi Mosque is one of the oldest and best-preserved mosques in Sofia, built in 1576 during the Ottoman rule. Located in the city center, it impresses with its architectural grandeur and historical significance as a symbol of Sofia's religious and cultural heritage. The Central Mineral Baths in Sofia is a remarkable architectural monument, built in 1913 in the Neo-Byzantine style. Today, it houses the Museum of the History of Sofia, blending the city's historical heritage with its unique architecture and connection to the mineral springs. The Serdica excavations in Sofia uncover the ancient Roman city that thrived in this area during the 1st and 2nd centuries. They are a significant archaeological site, offering a unique glimpse into life during the Roman Empire, with remains of city walls, baths, and streets that tell the story of this important commercial and cultural center. The Saint. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral in Sofia is one of Bulgaria's most iconic landmarks and among the largest Orthodox churches in the world. Built to honor Bulgaria's liberation, it impresses with its unique architecture, majestic domes, and beautiful icons. Located in the heart of the capital, The cathedral serves as a spiritual and cultural hub, attracting thousands of visitors every year. The Ivan Vazov National Theatre is the oldest and most prestigious theatre in Bulgaria, a symbol of the country's culture and arts. Located in the heart of Sofia, it captivates with its neoclassical architecture and rich history. A stage for numerous remarkable performances, it is a place where tradition meets modern art, inspiring generations of artists and audiences alike. Authors comment, "The city of Sofia impresses with its history and architecture. Bulgaria is a magnificent country indeed. The problem for many years has been the corrupt politicians who leave the roads with potholes and import food from all over the world instead of developing the Bulgarian countryside. Our nature is among the most blessed, and the soil is unique." The former royal palace, located in the heart of Sofia, is a remarkable architectural monument with a rich history. Built in the late 19th century, it once served as the residence of Bulgarian monarchs. Today, the palace houses the National Gallery and the Ethnographic Museum, offering visitors a glimpse into Bulgaria's art and cultural heritage. With its strategic location and majestic facade, it remains an iconic part of the capital. Rakpurs